So today we're going to talk about why eggs are especially important for a postmenopausal female. Eggs, and I'm talking about the yolks, are loaded with choline. And choline is a vitamin to help strip fat off the liver. It actually can prevent a fatty liver. If you're deficient in choline, you can be more susceptible to getting a fatty liver. It also helps dissolve lipids or fats. So it supports bile salts, which also break down fats. So, for example, if you're on the ketogenic diet and you have a difficulty in digesting fats and you're taking purified bile salts for the gallbladder and you find that there's something missing, choline is missing. A choline deficiency can also cause constipation and even affect memory because choline is kind of like a building block for acetylcholine, which is involved in nerve physiology. Why is choline good postmenopausal versus premenopausal? Well, because women that are postmenopausal have lesser amounts of estrogen. Now, even though they're estrogen dominant because their progesterone really drops way down, and it gives them a ratio of too much estrogen, but it's compared to progesterone. But if we look at the total amount of estrogen, postmenopausal, it's going to be a lot lower. And estrogen protects against the loss of choline. Some women will take estrogen after they're postmenopausal. The problem with that, it has some complications like increasing your risk of cancer, increasing your risk of stroke, things like that. Choline is a really good supplement for women that are postmenopausal if they have a difficulty in digesting fat, and also just if they start to develop fat in their liver, this can actually help reverse it. Having a fatty liver also sets you up for getting cirrhosis. Choline can kind of stop that whole process from occurring. You need about 425 milligrams a day, and realize that your body does make some choline, but not nearly enough. You can get choline from egg yolks and organ meats and other foods, which I'll put a link down below. But I just wanted to do this video based on a question I had. Someone was postmenopausal and they started to develop a fatty liver, and they wanted to know, what do they do? Well, this is your answer.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.